Welcome to Comprehension Express for Secondary from Oxford University Press. Comprehension Express is a high-impact intervention for secondary students who need explicit instruction in comprehension strategies. It offers an intensive 10-week programme for fast catch-up, explicit teaching of comprehension strategies, a pedagogy matched to the Education Endowment Fund's guidance for interventions, engaging fiction, non-fiction and poetry texts that motivate students, and a progress check to assess students' development. Let's take a look at the resources. Your Comprehension Express pack can be used with a group of up to 6 students. In it, you'll find 3 reading collections. These contain short fiction, non-fiction and poetry texts. There are 7 sets of these in every pack, 1 for each student in the group and 1 for the session lead. There is a set of expert tip cards. These are visual prompts for the 10 key comprehension strategies. On the front of each card, the tip appears with its visual image, and on the back is a reminder of the comprehension strategy. Next, the student workbook. There are 6 copies of the workbook in the pack. Students will each need their own copy. Part 1 provides follow-up activities for some of the lessons. These activities enable children to practice and apply the expert tips using written responses. Session leads can identify difficulties and misconceptions as they arise and address them quickly through pre-teaching and reteaching. These workbook pages can be completed during the lesson. However, remember that the main purpose of the session is to focus on reading comprehension rather than writing. So where appropriate, these workbook pages can be completed as a follow-up activity. Part 2 of the workbook provides independent comprehension practice for the 3 final lessons of the programme. And finally, the teaching handbook. This is what you'll need as the session lead to run Comprehension Express. It provides lesson plans for 27 sessions, as well as a progress check to assess students' development. Now let's look at how to run Comprehension Express. To prepare for implementation, you'll need to select a group of up to 6 students whose comprehension skills fall below the average range for their year. You can also run the intervention with individuals. A SENCO, teacher or teaching assistant will need to lead the sessions. As session lead, familiarise yourself with the teaching handbook. In particular, the reading comprehension strategies on pages 6 to 8 and the annotated example of a Comprehension Express lesson plan on pages 10 to 11. There are 27 lesson plans. For maximum impact, schedule in 3 35-minute sessions per week over 9 weeks, as shown on this chart. Alternatively, you can timetable the sessions over a longer period to suit availability. The final 3 sessions of the programme are 50 minutes each and allow students to work through part 2 of their workbook for additional practice and consolidation. Each student will need for every session a copy of the relevant reading collection and their own copy of the workbook. The session lead will need a copy of the relevant reading collection, the relevant lesson plan from the teaching handbook, and a set of expert tip cards for everyone to use. Before the session starts, check the resources section of the lesson plan to see which reading collection and expert tip cards are needed. It's easiest if you have these on a table in front of you so that everyone can see and access them easily. Provide sticky strips for the students or give them photocopies of the Think Aloud on page 66 of the teaching handbook. Read the relevant reading collection text and Think Aloud shown in the lesson plan. The text in italic is your suggested script for the session. Note the key question, which is the focus for the lesson. Running a session. During each session, follow the double-page lesson plan in the teaching handbook. Throughout the lesson plan, there's a recommended script to follow in italic for your reference. Each lesson is made up of the following sections. The briefing section, which is 5 minutes. Preparation, including the challenge word and think aloud sections, which is 10 minutes. The exploring section, which is 10 minutes. And finally, debriefing, which is 10 minutes. Try to keep to the recommended timings so that students can maintain focus and don't find the sessions too long. Let's look at each section in turn. First, briefing. In this part of the session, you will be introducing the text to the students, be encouraging them to predict what the new text might be about, and you'll be introducing or recapping the expert tips that students think they might need to use today. This part of the session is about helping students practice the strategies they need to activate when they approach a new text. What information can they glean from the title of the text, for example? Use the expert tip cards for this section to help embed and develop specific comprehension strategies in the students. The next section of the session is preparation, which includes the challenge word and think aloud sections and should take 10 minutes. In this part of the session, you will be reading aloud to students in the setting the scene introductory text in the reading collection. Next, you'll ask the students to read the first part of the text on their own, silently. You'll then encourage students to talk about what they've read, using specific expert tips to improve their understanding of the text. Have the expert tip cards on the table as tools the students can use to aid their understanding. Next, you'll ask students to find the challenge word. Students are encouraged to read the whole sentence in which the word appears and work out its meaning. The final part of preparation is the think aloud section. This is where you read aloud to the students, pausing at appropriate points to think out loud and model how the students should be using the expert tip cards and strategies. Use the italic script in the lesson plan as a guide and hold up the relevant expert tip card as you demonstrate visually the process of comprehension. This explicit teaching and modelling of what being an expert reader in the moment of reading looks like is a key part of the session. Next is the exploring section of the session, which is 10 minutes long. In this section, students read independently. Group discussion is used to clarify anything in the text that is causing confusion. Students read again on their own and use sticky strips to mark the text to show where and how they are using the expert tips to understand the text. Alternatively, they can write down how they are using the expert tips on copies of the Think Aloud photocopy. It's important that students' main focus is on the process of applying comprehension strategies in the moment of reading rather than on writing. So for less experienced or less confident readers, use the sticky strips so that they do not have the additional cognitive load of recording their thinking in writing. The final section of the session is debriefing, which is also 10 minutes. In this part of the session, you'll provide an opportunity for students to give their responses to the text, and you'll give students oral practice of comprehension questions. Again, have the expert tips available for students to use. Can they recall any information that may be relevant from their own experience? In this part of the session, you'll also ask students to complete any related workbook activities, and you'll look ahead to the next session. Assessment. Progress in Comprehension Express is assessed by a student questionnaire and comprehension questions on a set text. This progress check is administered on completion of the programme. It can be used in addition to any standardised tests already used in school. The progress check comes in two parts. There is a student questionnaire for individuals to fill in, which you can photocopy from page 69 of the teaching handbook, and a text with comprehension questions, which you can photocopy from pages 70 to 74 of the teaching handbook. The progress check can be administered both prior to and after students have taken part in the Comprehension Express intervention. What's next? After completing the Comprehension Express intervention and progress check, you may wish to assess the student's reading level further using your school's reading assessment. Students whose progress check and assessment scores indicate that they have yet to reach the average range for their cohort will benefit from more supported reading sessions. These sessions should continue to incorporate the use of expert tips with the aim of discontinuing the use of these once comprehension is secure. For more motivational reading books with free online comprehension resources, use the Super Readable Roller Coasters resource packs from Oxford University Press.